This is Kim Hughes, and I'm going to be covering looking at my Welcome to Human Behavior and Adjustment class. When you open up your classes in our Bite Connect and you open my class, it automatically goes to the Welcome page or the Start Here page. So be looking at this just briefly. It gives a little bit of information about myself and the textbook that we'll be using and a picture there, and then tells about my contact information, where I'm located on campus, my phone number, email, and what office hours I am available. Also tells the students all about their assignments and due dates and where to look for that, obviously on the syllabus, and then also reminds them to check their email and tells them the location of that and the syllabus. Obviously you can see that's right here, and so we'll go to the syllabus. The syllabus gives them a basic introductory to the class, what this class is about and how we're going to use it. It gives them the learning objectives, and then begins to talk about the evaluation techniques, their quizzes, their assignments, exam policy, how they receive the maximum amount of points, and how to actually calculate their grade. After that, we have quite a bit of policy and procedures. These are things that the college requests that be available to our students, ADA policy, those kind of things, accessibility. At the very bottom then, I have a schedule of due dates for each assignment. And obviously all assignments, quizzes, and exams are due on Wednesdays at 4 p.m. That just makes it simple for them. Have one time and date to remember. Obviously the only exception to that, as you can see, is the final, which is a little bit different. I do remind them of my makeup policy, and then also again another reminder of how to contact me. Then I talk to them about my grades, and so obviously the grades is also available up here, and so you can click on my grades. There's obviously nothing there right now because this class isn't open, but that tool allows them to view all their grades. I do talk to them about, I try to grade everything within a week of the due date, and obviously that's something that is on my revision scale to kind of add to this portion, so you can see that up front. The assessments are the quizzes and tests. They can access them there, and then they also have the assignments. So again, assignments, they have currently, the way it's set up is one a week, and so this has the introductory module, kind of talks to them, then it sends them to the discussion board, and you can kind of see how that works. It tells them where to go and what to do step by step. If they look at the discussion board, we don't do a lot of discussion here, but obviously this is how they introduce themselves to the class and state why they're taking this class and how this fits into their career and their plans for their education. The other things that we have available to the student, obviously a calendar, and the calendar posts all the due dates. They're able to integrate this with all their other classes in the Bite Connect portal, and so that makes it really easy. It can color code it so they'll know which classes have what things due on what dates, and so we recommend that they utilize that. The last thing I would cover is just the help desk. We do utilize Blackboard, and so this is a great tool for our students. They can check and make sure they have the right version. This allows them to kind of look for the supports and other things, most frequently asked questions, how to change their passwords, puts them back in our Bite Connect system if they need to make any changes. Also tells them how to navigate Blackboard and how to submit assignments, just those basic things that a lot of introductory students may need to know. So that is kind of the end of what I have on my class, and I appreciate you talking to me.